Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, I am going to be reviewing some products that are new to me by a brand called Noir Natural Products. They reached out to me and wanted me to review some of their products from their line and just give y'all my honest feedback and my thoughts about the products. This brand's products are made with love from organic herbs, seeds, and oils, and they are scented with natural plant materials. And I do also want to add that they do have a refill program, and basically what that is, once you use the products, all you have to do is just pay for the refills. You don't have to worry about buying additional containers, and you know, that's kind of nice that they are thinking of the environment. So let's just go ahead and get into the products that are in the whole line. I'm only reviewing 2 of the products today in this video, but I'm just going to give you like a rundown of the products. I did use them all, but I'm only going to be highlighting these stylers. So the products in the line consist of a tea tree strengthening herbal shampoo here. And I really did enjoy using this shampoo. It lathered very nicely and it got my hair clean, so I have no complaints about this shampoo. And I will also say that this shampoo smells really nice. So then I went in with the apple cider vinegar herbal rinse, and this is what that looks like. And basically this is like a very liquidy consistency, and of course it has the apple cider vinegar in it. The directions do say to use this after the shampoo, but with the apple cider vinegar in it, I kind of prefer to maybe use that before the shampoo, just to go ahead and you know, get all the impurities and detox my scalp and everything. But they do claim it's like a spa treatment and it does tingle, so that was very nice. The only thing I would have to say about this is the packaging. With it being so like loose and runny and liquidy, I would have preferred maybe like a little spray attachment instead of the, you know, you just kind of pour it in your hands or just directly on your scalp. But other than that, like, I felt that, you know, this product did give me that tingling feeling, and I do like the fact that it has the apple cider vinegar in it. So then I went in with the Slippery Elm herbal conditioner, and this deep conditioning treatment penetrates the hair shaft to hydrate and condition hair, leaving it soft and manageable. Now I will say that I did enjoy using this deep conditioner as well. It kind of gave me like a light creamy feeling, and I feel that I did have to, you know, keep adding on my hair in order for it to absorb in my hair. But once I worked it in and started to detangle with my detangling brush, like y'all, the deep conditioner was really nice. It had really good slip, and that is from the Slippery Elm that's in the product. It did what it was supposed to do. I really did enjoy it, and then when I rinsed it out, my hair felt really nice. So then the next product in the line is the Jasmine Flower Herbal Conditioning Spray, and this is what that looks like here. And this is a very light consistency, and as you can see, it does have like the little spray attachment, but I kind of wish that it would have had like a top like the one on the apple cider vinegar rinse, because I ended up taking this off and pouring it into my hands anyway, just so I could go ahead and apply it easier to my hair. I mean, it does have a really nice spray to it. Let me see if I can show you guys. It does have, did you see that? Did you see the mist? But it has a really nice mist and it comes out nicely. But just to make it easier, you know, for me and to save time, I would have preferred a top like this right here that's on the apple cider vinegar rinse. So like I said, I did put that on while I was in the shower. Did I say that? I'm not sure if I said that, but anyway, I did put this on in the shower, and that is what is currently on my hair now. And I do have the plastic cap on just to keep the moisture in my hair until it is time to style with the styler in this line. And the styler that they have is the flaxseed and honey curling gel. And let me just say that I like these two ingredients, the flaxseed and the honey. So I'm very excited to see how this gel will work on my wash and go. So it says that this gel is great for styling hair and defining natural curls. The combination of flax seeds and honey allows the hair to receive and retain moisture while eliminating frizz, which is perfect for twist outs, wash and goes, and taming edges. So the directions basically say to apply a generous, I like the word generous because we apply generous amounts over here. And it says to wet or dry hair and let air dry or blow dry. So we are going to be applying this product to my hair, and I'm going to let it air dry. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and let me show you guys what my hair is looking like with just the conditioning spray. Can be used to detangle your hair as well. So let's just go ahead and see how my hair is looking with this spray. And I will have to say, y'all, like, my hair looks really good. My curls are really defined. And I would have to say that I probably had this spray in my hair for about maybe 15 or 20 minutes. So let's just go ahead and I'm gonna section my hair and start in the back and see how this gel does for my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this much right here, and as you can see, that is what the consistency is looking like, and it's a very, very slippery and like thin consistency gel, but it does have lots and lots of slip. So let's just go ahead and add that to my hair, and it is going on really nicely, and it is adding shine to my hair and somewhat clumping my curls. But we're gonna go ahead and add some more because they did say generous. All right, so get that in with this much more. All right, so this is what we are looking like right now. Love the definition, love the shine. Not mad at it. So far, so good, y'all. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and apply this gel to the rest of my hair, and once I'm done, I'll come back and I'll let you guys see what my wet results look like. Okay, so I am finally done applying this gel to my hair, and let me just say, y'all, like, I really do love this gel so far. I love the application and everything, and on top of that, like, the shine is like shining. You hear me? But as you can see, like this side already has like really shrunken a lot. So I am pretty sure that this that when my hair dries, my hair will probably be like up to here. But that's no problem because I'll just use my satin scrunchies to stretch my hair. So with all that being said, once my hair has completely dried, I'll come back and let you guys see what my hair looks like. I'll go ahead and add my satin scrunchies to stretch, and we will see how this wash and go turns out. Okay, so my hair has completely dried and this is what it is looking like, and as I predicted, it is a good bit of shrinkage, but I'm getting ready to solve that right now. I'm just gonna put these satin scrunchies on my hair to stretch it, and tomorrow I will come back and let you guys see what the final results look like. Okay, so it is the next day and I'm gonna go ahead and take this bonnet off and take these scrunchies out so we can see how this wash and go turned out. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like, and I must say, y'all, my hair looks really good. I like the volume, I like the definition. So yeah, I have no complaints about this wash and go. Looks really good, y'all. So this is actually day 3 of this wash and go, and I must say, y'all, like my hair is looking really nice. I love the voluminous look to it, but also the definition. Like the curls are like really bobbing. But yeah, my hair looks really good. And also I do want to add that my hair feels really soft, doesn't feel dry at all. So I can definitely probably get maybe another 3 days out of this wash and go. And keep in mind that I have gone to the gym and I put my hair up in a pineapple, and it is still holding up. Like it still looks really good. So I just wanted to stop in and show you guys what my hair was looking like on day 3. So enjoy the rest of the video. So if you would like to try these products out for yourself, I do have a link in the description box with a coupon code so that you guys can check these products out. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.